Welcome to the EdbMails IMAP to PST export, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails IMAP migration software allows you to securely and effortlessly export IMAP mailboxes to PST format. Whether you are exporting emails from Gmail, Yahoo, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, GoDaddy, Rackspace, or any other IMAP server, EdbMails guarantees a reliable and complete export. The software ensures that your folder structure, email attachments, and metadata remain intact during the export process, ensuring no data loss. With its intuitive interface and advanced capabilities, EdbMails makes the IMAP to PST export experience flawless. Benefit from high-speed exports, incremental backups to avoid duplicates, and granular filtering options for exporting only the data you need, and a split PST option to divide large mailboxes into smaller, more manageable PST files. The software allows you to export IMAP mailboxes as PST files compatible with Outlook 2021, 2019, 2016, and earlier versions, enabling offline access and archival. Now let's explore the step-by-step process of exporting IMAP mailboxes to PST using EdbMails. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the IMAP migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Click the Select Host Name button. Select the appropriate host name for your source IMAP server. Click Continue. Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Select the mailboxes or folders you want to export. For IMAP to PST export, ensure Outlook is installed on your computer with a profile. Now, click the IMAP to Outlook PST button. Select the export method. Click Continue. You can apply filters for folders and items. Export only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. If you want to split the PST files, enable this option and set the required size. Click Continue. Give a name for export job. Click Continue. Select the location to store the exported data. Export operation under progress. Upon export completion, you will receive the export completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free IMAP to PST export, visit edbmails.com today.